Monday.com versus Asana. So Asana is really great for organizing task management with lists and timelines. It is really easy to use with its super clean interface that is really suitable for beginners. It offers you advanced project tracking features like timelines and workload management. So it also provides helpful automation options through rules to streamline your tasks. And it works really amazingly for teams needing a structured approach to your rules to streamline those tasks. And all in all, it really works well for your entire team to manage the project together. Now, as for Monday.com, this is really ideal to look into for your visual tasks. And because it creates really colorful boards and customizable workout layouts, so it has strong emphasis on collaboration with real-time updates and communication features. It also offers you powerful automation capabilities to streamline your repetitive tasks. This really also works well if you want flexibility and customization in your project management approach. So this is it for this video, guys. Ultimately, it comes down to your personal needs on which one you'd like to prefer, Asana or Monday.com.